We'll start with our director of guitar playing, Mr. Carl Strempler. And our #1 acoustic guitar is David Alpert. Back there on the drums, we've got Mr. Leith McLeod. And our bass player tonight, Mr. Dave Singleton. And our little vocal ensemble tonight, we'll start with Mr. Paul O'Rourke. We have Brenda Calder. Tania Hanson-Pratt. And I'm Charlene McAlpine. Thanks for coming out tonight. This is our Christmas section. We'll have Paul give us Please Come Home for Christmas.
Bells will be ringing, the sad, sad news. Oh, what a Christmas to have the blues. My baby's gone, I have no friend to wish me greetings once again. We'll be singing Silent Night, Christmas carols by candlelight. Please come home for Christmas. Please come home for Christmas. If not for Christmas, by New Year's night. And relations send salutations, sure as the stars shine above. But this is Christmas, it's Christmas, my dear. It's a time of year to be with the one that you love. So won't you tell me you'll never more roam? Christmas and New Year will find you home. There'll be no more sorrow, no grief and pain, and I'll be happy, happy once again. No grief and pain, and I'll be happy Christmas once again.